Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape or who is really getting paid on Jamaican YouTube in 2025. These women didn't just go viral. They turned views into value, influence into income, and cameras into cash flow. From hurricane documentaries to family empires to donation-powered livestream. Today, we reveal the richest Jamaican female YouTubers of 2025. And trust me, the number one will shock the island. Welcome back to CCNWORL TV News, the home of Jamaica's digital power and money rankings. This list is based on subscribers and views, CPM niche, live stream donations, sponsorship and brand power, and of YouTube businesses. All earnings are estimates, not official bank records. Let's count down from number 10 to the richest woman on Jamaican YouTube in 2025. Number 10, Shenikica, ShanZenZen, has built her brand on trust, compassion, and real community support. Her audience may not be the biggest, but her engagement is powerful, with consistent diaspora donations, small brand backing, and growing sponsorship interest. Estimated monthly earning, US $2,000 to US $5,000, a fast rising money earner in the humanitarian YouTube space. Number 9, The Susan Show, 35K subscribers, interviews, docudramas, and social stories. The Susan Show is built on emotional Jamaican storytelling, family reunions, missing relatives, and social healing. While the content is powerful, the CPM is lower, keeping earnings modest. Estimated monthly earning, USD $1,200 to US $3,000. Number 8, Soul Sessions, Simone Clark Cooper. 83K subscribers, studio interviews, and wellness content. Soul Sessions is one of Jamaica's most polished digital talk shows, with high production quality and premium guests. The show attracts sponsors, but long-form interviews don't always generate explosive AdSense. Estimated monthly earning, US $2,500 to US $5,000. Number 7, Petite Sue TV, 95K subscribers, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Beauty is a high-paying niche on YouTube with sponsorships and affiliate marketing. Petite Sue's income extends well beyond AdSense alone. Estimated monthly earning, US $3,500 to US $7,000. Number 6, Miss Kitty, Kadeen Hilton Wilkinson, media star, TV, endorsements, interviews, and motivation. Miss Kitty's YouTube channel is only one piece of a much larger media empire, including television hosting, MC bookings, endorsements, contracts, and national campaigns. Estimated total monthly income, US $4,000 to US $6,000. Number 5, Yendi Phillips, 122K subscribers, international interviews, and premium branding. Former Miss Jamaica, global motivational speaker, and media executive. Yendi's audience attracts high-value international sponsors and top-tier CPMs. Estimated monthly earnings, US $7,000 to US $15,000. Number 4, Florkubana, your danka at Wanza, off-grid lifestyle, hurricane coverage, business owner. Florkubana's Hurricane Melissa coverage pushed multiple videos into the 70K to 145K plus view range. But her real wealth also comes from outside YouTube, through Island Eyewear and Essential Solar Jamaica. Estimated monthly income from YouTube, US $5,000 to $10,000. Number 3, Jamaica with Irie. 154K subscribers, travel, disaster coverage, and Jamaican culture. This is one of the highest CPM niches on YouTube, with documentaries, tourism partnerships, donation campaigns and hurricane aftermath videos hitting 300k to 370k views, Jamaica with Irie is a serious digital money machine. Estimated monthly earning US 12,000 to US 25,000. Number 2, Antidonna. Dr. Donna Gowe. 237k subscribers. Livestream empire. Donations. Antidonna dominates in livestream donations. Her 14k to 16k live viewers translate into real-time Zelle, Cash App and wire transfers from diaspora supporters worldwide. Add to that, her community events, brand deals, and her overseas supporters. She is one of the strongest grassroots money earners on Jamaican YouTube. Estimated monthly earning, US 10,000 to 25,000. Number 1, Meet the Mitchells. Tammy Chin Mitchell, 293k subscribers, family empire, viral drama storytelling, family content plus overseas CPM emotional storytelling equals maximum money. Meet the Mitchells dominate watch time, retention, brand attractiveness, sponsorship demand, with consistent 30k to 40k plus views per upload, merchandise potential, family branding and global reach. They stand at the very top. Estimated monthly earning, US 30,000 to US 50,000. And there you have it, the richest Jamaican woman on YouTube in 2025. Based on public data, CPM niches, donation power, and business influence. From humanitarian queens to hurricane documentarians to full-scale family digital empires. These women prove that Jamaican YouTube is no longer a hustle. It is big business. Who surprised you the most on this list? Who do you think should be number 1? Drop it in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe, and stay locked to CCNWORL TV News, where Jamaica's digital power is always revealed.